And it is a beautiful summer day here on Port Phillip Bay. And if you're a local fisherman, you know that means one thing: snapper time. Oh yeah, and if we get one, we're gonna try to cook it in the dishwasher.
Every day when I wake up, I thank God I could take up another moment to feel this sunrise in the morning. I don't have all the answers, but I know there's a reason for the places that I've been, all the people that I've seen. No reason to apologize, we're all fucked up in someone's eyes. I'll smoke until my lungs burn, I'll love until my heart hurts. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine. I'll close it through most of my life, leave it in the basket, bury all the caskets.
No, what the? Might be snag. Oh, might be a banjo shark, huh? Certainly not fighting like a normal fish. Got some weight to it, whatever it is. Eesh. What is it? It's gotta be a ray. Goodness. I have a feeling we're not gonna get this up, whatever it is. Oh boy. Banjo shark. I'm gonna try and net him. Oh, he's not gonna fit in the net. He's not even gonna come close to fitting in the net. Oh, come on. Come on, just need that tail. Come on. Oh, he's not happy with that. All right. Oh, he's not happy with that. Woo! Jesus. All right. All right. Get you back. Hold on. I just. And there you go. That's what they call a banjo shark or banjo ray. They're a type of ray or skate, but they don't have a stinger on them. Oh, come on. Come back for it. Yes. Oh, that feels like a good fish. Hey. All right. Oh boy. Oh, we're on to something. Oh, what is it? God, I wouldn't say it's fighting like a flathead. What is it? Oh, pinky, maybe a pinky. Yeah, probably gonna be just under. Ooh, he's gonna be close. Is he gonna be pan size? I don't know. We're gonna try and lose him, it looks like, and he's in. He's in. I reckon he might be legal. Might be just. Brim and snapper 28. He is just there. 30. All right. Well, we're back at the house. The fish is clean. The boat is clean, the motor's flushed, and now it's time to prep it for the dishwasher. Geez, that looks like it might be. Shit, I think that's cooked. Wow, that is cooked perfectly. I mean, it is magnificent and it is cooked all the way through. Have a look at that. That is delicious. I can't believe it. Oh well. You just never know, right? I can't believe I just ate a fish that was cooked in a dishwasher.